Understanding, turn up your toes, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. We'll be exploring the meaning, origin, and usage of the phrase, turn up your toes. Idioms can be tricky, but they are a fun and integral part of mastering the English language. Let's get started. Turn up your toes is an idiomatic expression used to indicate death. It's a somewhat humorous or light-hearted way to talk about a serious topic. The phrase comes from the idea that when a person dies, their feet might be positioned in such a way that their toes point upwards. While it's not a phrase you'll hear every day, it's a good example of English's colorful and sometimes quirky idiomatic expressions. The exact origin of turn up your toes is a bit murky, but it's believed to have 19th century roots. It's similar to other euphemisms for death in English, like kick the bucket or bite the dust. These phrases often use humor or lightness to address the concept of death, a common feature in English idioms. When it comes to using turn up your toes in conversation, context is key. Since it's a light-hearted way to refer to death, it's important to use it only in appropriate situations. It might be suitable in informal, casual conversations, especially when discussing death in a general or hypothetical sense, but it's not appropriate for serious or sensitive discussions about death. Let's look at some examples. 1. In that old movie, the hero says he'll never turn up his toes to the daisies, meaning he won't easily give up. 2. My grandpa always joked that he'd turn up his toes at 100, and he nearly made it to that age. 3. The old car finally turned up its toes after 200,000 miles. And that's a wrap on the phrase, turn up your toes. Remember, idioms are a great way to add flavor to your English, but they should be used with consideration of the context and audience. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll be an idiom pro in no time. See you in the next video.